We have a carbon job, friends. Yeah, and the job is remove all decals from the frame. And yeah, that's exactly why we are here. But there's another point of the list. And then painted candy apple red. Yeah, that's what I like. But at first I like to show you how to remove decals. And yeah, there's no chance to peel them off because they are underneath the clear coat on nearly every frame. So the first chance we have to take is sanding, because that's also our only chance. And yeah, for sanding we need of course a rotary. And now prick up your ears because it gets interesting. We need a special sander to do the job right, and what we want is an orbital sander. We don't want these cheap ones which can do only circle motions. No, that's what we don't want. We want the orbital which can do a figure eight. Exactly this. That's what we need for good abrasion. And yeah, that's what expensive sanders do. So yeah, buy an orbital sander which can do a figure eight. And now let's talk about the sanding pads. First things first, I'm going with the 3-inch pad, 77 millimeters, super small, and the reason is obvious. You can sand also inside the fork, at least parts of the fork. These are areas we have to do by hand, but some parts of the fork can be sanded also with a small sander like this. So 3-inch pads. And the next thing we need is an interface. But what the hell is this? That is a little sponge you can put between the sander and the sanding pad. Let me show you. And yeah, it's a cushion, like so. You put the sanding pad on top, and now it's flexible, and that's very important. The flex is very important because it adapts to the shape of the fork and the frame, and you won't sand in the material that easy. So do an interface on your sanders. That's super important when sanding bike frames. And yeah, now let's talk about the pads. There are a lot of pads on the market. I have also a lot of pads. And yeah, the most common ones I'm using is 180 and also 120. And there are different types. There are iridium types like these. And there are also nets like the Auto Net from Merca. Let me show you the difference. So that is a net. You can see through the net. And yeah, that is a normal iridium disc, but this is super abrasive. That's what I like when I have to remove super thick material, and that's what I'm using for the fine jobs. So yeah, now let's try 180 on this fork. And yeah, if it's not hard enough, if it's not abrasive enough, I will change to the 120. And the last thing you need is a good pair of headphones, because that's a noisy shit job which takes forever. So listen to your favorite music, to a podcast, or to your favorite audiobook. Yeah, sanding is done, but there are some areas you can't reach with an orbital sander. Inner fork legs, seat stays, chain stays, and the top section of the down tube. And these are areas I have to do by hand, but before I can do that, I have to remove the hanger. Frame is prepped and in the booth. And next I have to mix the primer, and I'm going with a 1.0 nozzle. So yeah, I'm going with a carbon primer, white of course, because I like to apply a candy red, and that's perfect for candy if we have a light colored primer. So let's mix it, and then let's have some fun in the paint booth. And the next step is a 1 hour wet sanding party to smooth out the primer. So we need wet sander, 600 or 800 grit, 600 for the pros, 800 for the pussies, and then just sand the frame and the fork. Yeah, sanding is over, folks. Took me 1 hour and 10. In the meantime, I mixed some color because it's time for candy. But before I can apply the cool candy color, I have to mix a base coat, silver, and I'm going with a racing color, Aprilia Racing color code 4R, and 4R stands for racing. And that's what I have to fill in my spray gun. Next step, loading the gun and playing in the paint booth. Yeah, it's time for the fun part, the candy. So let's put some clear coat in the cup, and in the clear coat the candy tints. And I'm going with solvent tints, and yeah, solvent tints can be done direct in clear coat, super easy. So let's put them in. So let's load the gun and have some fun. Yeah, and I not only applied the candy apparat, also a 2-component high solid clear coat, 2 stages, and the last thing to do for me is to reinstall the hanger. So thanks for your time, thanks for watching, see you in the next one, goodbye.